Oh my. Oh my. I have fallen in love. Blozos in love. Blozos in love. That's ridiculous. Want to see some weather? Some Michigan rain? Whoa. Man, that's some rain coming down in sheets. Check it out, man. I don't even want to go outside. No POTA outings today. 73. It's a classic. It's a 1989 Model 318. 18 horsepower. Full hydraulics. Hydraulic ports on the front for a 4-way blade for angling and lifting. Hydraulic deck lift. John Deere. What do I call a John Deere tractor? Maybe I'll name him Dave or Bobby. Yeah, I think I'm going to grab Dave and go mow the grass.